मन के हारे हार है, मन की जीते जीत, क्योंकि असली शक्ति परिस्थितियों से नहीं, अपने संकल्प से पहचानी जाती है। इसी शक्ति, साहस और प्रेरणा की मिसाल आज हमारे बीच है। Ladies and gentlemen, our first speaker is a woman whose life reminds us that vision is not only about sight. Vision is about courage, clarity, and the strength to move forward, making each limitation as the stepping stone of learning. Ms. Divya Sharma is a corporate content strategist, TEDx and keynote speaker, disability activist, President's Award recipient, marathon runner, and radio jockey. Her journey is deeply moving. She has built a successful corporate career and received the President's Award for Individual Excellence. She believes that sometimes the world may fail to see your potential, but that does not mean your light is any less. It's special. With immense respect and warmth, I invite Ms. Divya Sharma to share her journey with us.
हाय एवरीवन। कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपके भाई बहन और आपके फ्रेंड्स को बर्थडेज, इवेंट्स और गैदरिंग्स में बुलाया गया हो बट आपको नहीं बुलाया गया? वेल, दैट हैज़ बीन द रियलिटी ऑफ माई चाइल्डहुड, बट थिंग्स चेंज्ड एंड they changed for better. In 2024, I received an invitation, and believe me, that was the first invitation in my name, Divya Sharma, and it was not an ordinary one. It was an invitation by the President of India, Madam Draupadi Murmu, for tea at President House on 26 January 2024 with Mr. Modi and President Ma'am. Well, life has a strange way of inviting you to places you never imagined. Well, now, who am I? People describe themselves as one thing, but I can't. I am a writer, a corporate strategist, a blue belt in karate, a marathon runner, a disability activist. I have been an RJ and content manager of an online radio station for more than 12 years. I also sensitize people about persons with disabilities. I go to schools, colleges and institutions to create awareness. And yes, I am a woman who happens to be visually impaired. The reason I am mentioning it all because I believe you all are more than just one thing. We are bigger than just one identity. Let's not reduce ourselves to just one label. Now, talking about my eyesight, I'll walk you through all the aspects of my life so that you can get a flavor of my life. So, eyesight, when I was 3.5 years old, my parents realized that something is not right. I have my twin sister, elder brother, by the way my twin sister is in the audience today. So I was not acting that actively. इतना ज़्यादा मैं जैसे नॉर्मल बच्चे खेलते कुछ, I was not doing that. So my parents took me to a doctor. और वहाँ जाकर पता लगा कि something is not right with the eyes. So they took me to series of doctors. I belong to a very small city near Nangal, Punjab. I'm sure आप में से बहुत लोगों ने नाम सुना भी नहीं होगा. So वहाँ पे काफ़ी हॉस्पिटल्स में लेके गए, चंडीगढ़ लेके गए, दिल्ली लेके गए, एंड देन दे टोल्ड माय पेरेंट्स दैट आई हैव ग्लूकोमा, काला मोतिया. वेल, दिस इज अ कंडीशन दैट यूजुअली पीपल गेट और डायग्नोज्ड विद आफ्टर द एज ऑफ 40, बट इन रेयर केसेस छोटे बच्चों को या टॉडलर्स को होता है. सो बाय द एज ऑफ 5 आई अंडरवेंट 6 सर्जरीज, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली देयर इज नो क्योर फॉर ग्लूकोमा. So now I cannot see anything from my right eye. There is no light in my right eye, and in my left eye there is only light perception, which means I can just figure out कि light है या अंधेरा है. अगर आप मेरे आगे खड़े हैं तो I can't see you. I can't read anything on documents, on screens, phones, laptops or anything. So ये मेरी life की reality रही है, and people often ask me, Divya, don't you think life would have been little easier if you would not have had this condition? And I tell them that over the years I have realized that my eyesight is not in my control. I cannot do anything about it, but I can do about what I want to do in my life. So in your life also, if you have any situation, any condition, just take care of the response, how you respond to it. Now coming to education. Well, my life has been a series of rejections. a pile of rejections, I would say. When I was in class 7th, I was studying in a normal mainstream school. जैसे आपके गली मोहल्ले में schools होते हैं जहाँ पे सभी बच्चे जाते हैं. I was studying there. But then one day the management said that Divya, you are visually impaired. They told my parents that she has to leave just because she was a person with disability. So उस वक्त setback लगा. Parents ने कोशिश की 7-8 schools जितने भी थे कि वहाँ पे admission दिलवाएं. किसी ने admission नहीं दी just because of my blindness. That's a perk of being a person with disability. So at that tender age, I was not that confident and sure why it's happening to me. It was a setback. But I had a conversation with myself that day and I realized that now I have to do everything from this small city, whether it's my studies, my profession and anything. And even today I am doing everything from that small city in Nangal. Then at that time it was a setback. My parents tried that I should get admission but I couldn't. So my sister, my brother, my friends, they were going to a normal school but I wasn't. My parents got to know that I can do correspondence studies in 10th and 12th boards and I did that, scored well. I was doing it all correspondently. After that I did graduation in public administration and political science from Himachal University, again correspondently. And then I did masters in English from Punjab University. Well, one point I want to make here is that, when two main चीज़ें हैं. पहली बात आपको लग रहा होगा मैंने इतनी पढ़ाई कैसे की. We use screen reader software. This is a software that reads everything that comes on screen. जैसे आप screen देख सकते हैं, आप documents पढ़ सकते हैं, देखिए हम सुन के काम करते हैं. So on your Android phone, there is free of cost TalkBack, and on iOS there is VoiceOver. On laptops and computers there is JAWS, Job Access with Speech, and NVDA, Non-Visual Desktop Access. So it reads everything that comes on screen, and this is how I did my studies. Initially, braille से मैं पढ़ती थी, जो हम finger से पढ़ते हैं. मेरे parents cassettes record करते थे, and then eventually technology advanced हुई by the time I was in graduation, and I learned it at home. तो इस तरीके से मैंने पढ़ाई की. और दो मेन चीज़ें यहाँ पे जो मैं आपको बोलना चाहूँगी वो यही है कि life comes a full circle. पहली बात तो जिस स्कूल ने मुझे निकाला, उन्होंने मुझे काफ़ी सालों बाद एज अ गेस्ट स्पीकर अपने स्कूल में बुलाया. व्हेन आई रिसीव्ड प्रेसिडेंट अवार्ड, बाय द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया फॉर माय इंडिविजुअल एक्सीलेंस इन श्रेष्ठ कैटेगरी. तो इट वाज अ सेंस ऑफ कंटेंटमेंट कि जिस स्कूल ने दरवाजे बंद किए थे उन्होंने बुलाया एज अ गेस्ट स्पीकर टू गाइड देयर स्टूडेंट्स. And then the second big thing happened when I was invited as a TEDx speaker in IIM Ahmedabad, one of the most prestigious business schools in India. So I believe me, हो सकता है आज आपकी लाइफ में किसी भी सिचुएशन में दरवाजे बंद हो, बट कभी ना कभी वो ज़रूर खुलेंगे because life comes a full circle if you don't give up. अब थोड़ी बात माइंडसेट की भी कर लेते हैं. So I was, आजकल Zoom है, Team है, अगर आप Teams है, स्क्रीन जिसमें आप मीटिंग्स करते हैं. Long back there was Skype. So when I was doing graduation and everything, I used to do sensitizing sessions in schools and colleges. Online I was having a conversation with a policy maker and some people from different industries. और एक head थे organization के, and he said very confidently, very well off, I can't take the name of the organization or the person, but they said Divya, Miss Sharma, to be very precise. Miss Sharma, don't you think you are doubly disabled? First, you are a woman, and second, you have a disability, blindness. I just laughed it off, and I realized at that moment that they saw double disability, and I saw double opportunity to break the stereotypes. And then, वो stereotypes आज तक मैं तोड़ रही हूँ. आज टाइम मैंने काफ़ी कुछ अचीव भी करी और काफ़ी कुछ करना भी है, but again stereotypes are everywhere. And even when journey started, when I was a toddler, my parents took me to a lady who was very influential in North India. She was very well off, बहुत exposure था, तो parents को लगा कि बच्चा visually impaired है तो शायद कोई guidance मिल जाएगी कि life में क्या करना चाहिए. And believe me what she said to my parents. My parents told me later in my life. She said, ऐसे बच्चों को domestic काम के लिए, झाड़ू पोछे के लिए घर में रखना चाहिए. But at that time I must be very, very young. 5-6 years old. My mom told me this incident in 2013 or 14 when I was in Chandigarh, I was attending a wedding, and there I was playing guitar. By the way, I play multiple instruments, guitar, tabla, harmonium, and ukulele. So there, in a wedding, I was playing guitar, and that lady, same lady was standing there. She saw me singing, playing guitar, and there were tears in her eyes, and she left the audience. So my mom told me about this incident that day. So the point is, don't let anybody or the society define you. Define yourself. Don't give anybody the right to define what you can and what you cannot. Now, moving on to professional side. Come on, I may be a person with disability, but I am not a charity case. Many people think if you have a disability, maybe charity hota hoga. It's not like that. Many of us are, taxpayers. And talking about my profession, I have been in corporate sector for more than 9 years now. And after my studies, as I decided that I will do everything from my small city near Nangal, I ventured into corporate strategy, and I started my career as, for 2 years I worked with a Chandigarh company, and I was, strategizing their content, also writing white papers for them. Then I left that company after 2 years and joined a US company. I worked with them for 9 months, but then there came a project. They said we are a very inclusive company, but then there came a project जहाँ पे उनकी screen accessible नहीं थी. You may be new to this concept. जो भी screens, websites, applications होती हैं वो accessible अगर ना हो तो फिर हमारा screen reader वो पढ़ नहीं सकता. वो it will just say graphic. So it's by law internationally it's mandatory that सभी जो websites हैं वो accessible होनी चाहिए. But वो नहीं थी. So I told them, this specific project, it's not accessible, I can't access. They said, in no time, they said, Divya, you are good at your work, but you have to put your papers. So it was again a setback, and I thought, it's not fair. But I also realized that maybe रास्ता थोड़ा सीधा नहीं है, थोड़ा टेढ़ा करना पड़ेगा. And then I realized no matter जितनी भी अच्छी कंपनी हो, कभी ना कभी हर रोज कंपनी अपने सॉफ्टवेयर प्लेटफॉर्म्स अपडेट कर रही है, एंड दे डोंट थिंक रियली अबाउट एक्सेसिबिलिटी. तो तब मुझे लगा कि कभी भी अगर मैं एक नेक्स्ट कंपनी ज्वाइन करती हूँ, वहाँ पे कोई प्रोजेक्ट आ जाता है तो एकदम से वो बोल देंगे कि यू हैव टू पुट योर पेपर. सो आई डोंट वांट टू टेक दैट स्ट्रेस. देन आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट डाइवर्सिफाई. I didn't want to keep all the eggs in the same basket. So what I did, I started working with independent clients in India and abroad, so that even if किसी एक client के साथ अगर problem आए, issues आए, accessibility को लेके, at least I have income flow from other clients. So this has been kind of navigation. I navigated like that. तो बहुत बार आपकी लाइफ में भी अब AI आ गया है, तो आपकी लाइफ में भी कभी ना कभी AI कहीं ना कहीं किसी लेवल पे इम्पैक्ट कर रहा होगा. बट बिलीव मी, प्रॉब्लम्स आती है, चैलेंजेस आते हैं, बट आप रास्ता हमेशा बदल सकते हैं. So now, from profession to fitness. I love fitness, and I love the idea of women lifting weights because I like it when women do marathons, martial arts, army, and etc. So I love it. I started right from my childhood. I used to go for long walks with my mom at 4 a.m. And then when I was very young, I thought, I should learn karate because being visually impaired and to women, I thought self-defense is a must. And plus, I always liked physical strength. So I looked for a coach. None of the coach was ready to teach me. 6-7 years it took me to get a coach. When I got a coach, they said, you have to pay double. Again, it's a perk of being a person with blindness. We have to pay double. And they said, it's your responsibility. If anything happens, you will be responsible. I said, okay. So my doctor was initially not ready for karate. They said, glaucoma hai, nerves hai, pressure बढ़ता है, फट सकती है nerve. I said, see, just tell me what not to do. Like pull-ups and push-ups I can't do. I can't do headstand. तो ये चीज़ें मैंने ध्यान में रखी हैं. I started. My parents also initially were not ready. They were not happy. Then I convinced them somehow. And so far I have 5 belts in karate. The latest one, blue belt. But while I was learning karate, there were days when I was punching wrong. There were days when I was kicking wrong. There were days when I got bruised. There were days when I fell down. But I told my my coach that be brutal as you can with anybody. No need to show any sympathy or anything. And there were days when my coach used to hit me 500 punches a day when I was learning. Then came pandemic. एंड देन अगेन द सेम स्टोरी, कोच नहीं मिले, बहुत कोशिश की, बिकॉज पीपल जज यू बिफोर इवन नोइंग अबाउट यू, दे जज यू बिकॉज ऑफ योर डिसेबिलिटी. Then I thought कि जब तक कोच नहीं मिलता I have to work on my strength. So I bought some dumbbells, you know, lift strength के लिए. Believe me, लड़कियों को, women को, they love buying lipsticks, clothes, which is lovely, beautiful. But whenever I used to earn more, on my birthdays I used to buy dumbbells, barbell rod, punching bag, etc. So I started learning it. Somebody initially told me how to, you know, do some different exercises. And today there's AI, so I asked ChatGPT and etc. that I'm blind, just tell me where should I feel the pain and etc. Many people even tell me on my face, oh Divya, what do you flex? How do you feel confident? Because you can't even see yourself in the mirror. We see ourselves pumping our, you know, whatever. So I tell them, you know, when I lift more than what I used to, or when I feel more efficient, I know I'm doing good. And for the form, people say, how do you know you are in the correct form? For example, if I'm doing RDL, I know that I should feel the stretch or pain in my hamstrings. And if I'm getting pain in my back, that means my form is incorrect. So this is my way of doing things. You know, you have to figure out your ways. While I was doing this, I ventured into marathon running. I never imagined I would run in my life. So far I have run 4 or 5 10K kilometers. And how do I run? There is an organization, Adventure Beyond Barriers Foundation. So I started running with them. They provide you an ally. Ally means a partner who runs with you. We are tied with a thread, a thick thread. So when it comes to running, my running mentor is Aparna Prabhudesai from Pune. So she has been running with me, and this year only we started our slam program. In Bangalore we started 10 kilometers and hopefully we will run 21 kilometers in Delhi coming daily, and then 21 or 25 in Kolkata and 42 in Mumbai hopefully. The point is you can see, so you navigate by देख के आप भाग सकते हैं, बट वी होल्ड हैंड्स और हम रास्ता निकाल के, पार्टनर पे बहुत मैटर करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पार्टनर इज माई पार्टनर, सो शी रन्स, शी टेल्स मी ओके यू नो ऐसे भागना है, क्योंकि देयर इज नो ऐसा नहीं है कि हमें ज़्यादा टाइम मिल रहा है. जो टाइम है वो हमारे लिए भी सेम है. वी हैव टू फिनिश द रन एंड मैराथन इन द सेम टाइम. सो एंड वन चैलेंज इज व्हेन यू आर ब्लाइंड, यू आर जस्ट एंडलेसली रनिंग. आपको नहीं पता हो क्या रहा है. When you can see you are entertained, कोई कैसे भाग रहा है, you know, entertainment, but we are just running. So sometimes your partner describes you, okay, what's happening, so that you are sometimes you are interested in it. So this is how I ventured into running, and believe me, I had all the excuses not to do fitness, not to do any of these things. But I know health is wealth, and fitness goes a long way. So fitness is a lifestyle for me, and believe me, अगर आप चाहे बच्चे हैं, चाहे young हैं, चाहे elderly हैं, make sure you are paying attention to fitness because it's a big part of our life. And अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ तो आप तो definitely कर ही सकते हैं. Now fitness के बाद एक important चीज़ आती है जो है you know एक होता है कि risk लेना life में. So but there is a difference between risk and calculated risk. In my life अगर मैं कहूँ मेरी weakness क्या रही है वो है mobility. I have never traveled alone. Of course, इंडिया का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, अगर मैं केन के साथ जाना भी जाऊँ, खड्डे हैं, लोग हैं, इतना रश है, इवन जो टैक्टाइल बने होते हैं पार्क्स, वो भी वहाँ पार्किंग की होती है लोगों ने, अलग अलग चीज़ें. सो इट्स नॉट दैट प्रैक्टिकल. बट आई स्टार्टेड ट्रैवलिंग सोलो लास्ट ईयर, बट आई नो वेयर टू ड्रॉ लाइन. I travel by air alone with my white cane. I travel by metro. I travel by cabs. I travel by Volvo. बट इफ़ यू विल टेल मी कि दिव्या बाहर वडोदरा में जाओ, रेलवे स्टेशन पे ट्रेन पकड़ो, या फिर बाहर जाके सब्जी खरीद लाओ पैदल जाके, आई कांट डू दैट. मे बी आई कैन, बट आई डोंट वांट टू पुट माई सेल्फ इन डेंजर बिकॉज आई नो इट्स नॉट प्रैक्टिकल. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज नॉट प्रैक्टिकल. सो द पॉइंट इज आई डोंट वांट टू बी अ हीरो. एंड इन योर लाइफ ऑल्सो रिस्क लेना जरूरी है, तभी आप ग्रो करोगे. बट यू शुड नो व्हाट इज रिस्क एंड व्हाट इज कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क. सो व्हेनेवर आई गो, आई मेक श्योर कि वहाँ पे कोई असिस्टेंस हो. जहाँ मैं जा रही हूँ वहाँ का पूरा होमवर्क करके जाती हूँ. एंड आई बिलीव कि यू शुड नो व्हाट इज़ योर लिमिटेशन एंड देयर इज़ नो नीड ऑफ यू नो हीरोइज्म दिखाने का. तो आपकी लाइफ में भी आप किसी भी चीज़ को करना चाहते हैं, रिस्क और कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क में थोड़ा सा फ़र्क होता है. एंड फाइनली आई विल लीव यू विद अ फ्यू थॉट्स. फर्स्ट, यू नो आपकी लाइफ में हो सकता है आप फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस से जूझ रहे हो, कोई रिलेशनशिप प्रॉब्लम या कोई भी लाइफ चैलेंजेस, हेल्थ इश्यूज, बट बिलीव मी, अगर आप लाइफ में इफ यू विल स्टैंड फॉर योर सेल्फ, you don't need anybody else. You have to stand for yourself. Again, I'm sure many of us get stuck in traffic. तो जब आप ट्रैफिक में फंसते हैं तो आप ट्रैफिक में गाड़ी छोड़ के तो नहीं चले जाते ना, आप गाड़ी में बैठे रहते हैं बिकॉज यू नो इवेंचुअली ट्रैफिक क्लियर हो जाएगा। ऐसे ही लाइफ में अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है, अगर आप गिव अप कर देंगे तो वो कभी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होगी, बट अगर आप डटे रहेंगे और आप गिव अप नहीं करेंगे देन यू नो दैट लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ कभी ना कभी आगे खुल जाएगा। So the point is, आपकी लाइफ में you have to stand for yourself and no matter what situation, what circumstances जो भी हो, don't give it the power. Always stay in control, always have faith in yourself and always make sure that you don't give anybody the authority to take decisions for you because you know your capabilities, you know your limitations. Thank you so much. My strength is instruments. So if there would have been an instrument, I would have definitely sung. Yeah.
So any question?
Yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask.
Just one.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your truly inspiring journey with us. It has beautifully reminds us that strength is the grace with which we rise and get inspired. Your words have truly touched our hearts and has given us a new way. I request Mr. Sunil Shah, President GEO, to kindly come forward and felicitate ma'am.
Just a last question to Divya Sharma. Who is your role model? I want to know.
Okay, so my role model, I believe everybody has some perfection and imperfections. तो ऐसे तो कोई नहीं है, but my mom has been my role model, and I believe failures of my life, challenges of my life are my role model, and so I try to learn from the good sides of people, and then I leave the rest. So एक इंसान का नाम लेना गलत होगा, but again if I have to, then my mom. Thank you.